Hey everyone, Michael here, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is all about how to save a video in CapCut. So if you've been tinkering around in CapCut, putting together a video project, and now you're like, how do I save this masterpiece? Don't worry, I've got you covered. We'll go over two methods, saving it within the CapCut app and exporting it to your gallery. Let's dive in. All right, fire up your CapCut app. Let's hit New Project. And I'm just gonna pick a random video here and tap Add. For demonstration purposes, let's toss in an effect. There we go, hit OK. And now let's say you're done editing and you want to save it. Here's the first way you can save it. See the little X at the top left corner? Tap on that bad boy. Boom! Your project is saved within CapCut. If you go back to the main screen, you'll see it's right there, exactly where you left it off. But hey, what if you want to share it or keep it in your gallery? Easy. Tap the little upward arrow at the top right corner. Your video will start exporting, and once it's done, you'll get options to share on various social platforms like Instagram, WhatsApp, Facebook, or even TikTok. But for now, let's hit Done. To show you that it worked, let's open up the Photos app. And there it is, the video we just exported is chilling in my gallery. So there you go. That's how to save a video in CapCut, either within the app itself or by exporting it to your phone's gallery. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up, and if you've got any questions, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Catch you in the next video.